An international titanium industry expo wraps up in Baoji, China on Saturday, attracting over 200 titanium-related manufacturers to showcase their latest technologies and products. With an exhibition area of over 21,000 square meters, this year's expo attracted many representatives from Austria, Russia, Japan, and other countries and regions. Many international exhibitors have expressed optimism about the development prospects of China's titanium industry and their willingness to actively integrate into the industrial chain.
China is probably the country with the most potential in terms of growth, in terms of new technologies. We are trying to be really on the state of the art and also providing the latest technology that we develop in Europe for potential Chinese customers that are really looking for high-end and for high-quality equipment.
Titanium is highly acclaimed for its heat resistance, strength, and rust-proof property as a material to be used in severe conditions.
支撑了整个我们的航空、航天、民用等重要领域的钛材的应用，继续扩大民用航空材料的应用，来带动我们的相关材的发展。
Baoji is known as China's Titanium Valley, and its titanium output accounts for around 65% of China's total.